What if you could create 30 viral YouTube shorts, reels, or TikToks in under an hour without filming anything, using an editing app, or stressing about a single step? Sounds crazy, right? But there's a brand new AI tool that lets you generate fake conversation videos in just one click. No scripting, no editing, almost everything is done for you. So here's the idea I had. What if going viral didn't mean filming yourself or spending hours editing, but instead letting AI do the hard work, including writing your script? Welcome to Christine Trends. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool to create viral videos fast and easy. But before we dive in, now, if you're new to this, let me break it down. The real game in YouTube Shorts is finding a niche that's super simple to produce, but still has the power to reach millions. And guess what? That niche absolutely exists. In fact, it's the exact strategy that a bunch of smart creators are using right now to blow up their channels fast. Look at this channel. He jumped into the shorts game just a year ago and already pulled in over 600,000 subscribers and 900 million views. And this AVAX, he has 1.3 million subscribers and over 2 billion views from shorts alone. And get this, he's not filming on some fancy camera setup. He's not hiring editors. He's just using a simple video generator tools like VidAI to create viral shorts that people can't stop watching. This whole strategy is built on speed, volume, and relevance. And the best part, almost everything is automated, so you can scale fast without burning out. If you look at these channels, they are all doing the same thing and their growth is massive. Now, this is how much this YouTube channel is making monthly. That's quite a lot of money for such a stress-free content. So why does this niche work so well? It's simple. The content is universally relatable. Whether it's funny, dramatic, or just entertaining, it kind of feels like real conversations you'd see in a group chat. And the best part, these videos go viral and perform best in top-tier countries like the US, UK, and Canada, which means higher CPMs, more ad revenue, and better earnings. I'm sure you've seen videos like these at least once on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. They're simple fake chat conversations, and they're getting millions of views. Before we wrap up, I will quickly show you how to find videos like this, okay? But first, let me walk you through exactly how this works. Once you log into VidAI, this is what you'll see. It's an AI-powered video generator designed specifically for creating viral-style content, okay? It does almost everything for you, generating a fake chat script, creating visuals, and even adding voiceovers automatically. First, click on Fake Text. Give your project a title, anything you like. By default, the contact name is Skylar, but you can change that to whatever fits your story, okay? And here is the script section. A theme selector section. You can pick between white or black. I prefer black, so I'll go ahead and switch to that. Next up is the video background. You can choose any of the available options, okay? They all work well. Now the most important part, the audio settings, right? Here you'll choose the narrator voices for both the sender and the receiver. There are tons of realistic voice options to pick from. You can also add background music. Just make sure it matches the mood of your story. Moving on to the script. You've got a couple of options here. Click on AI script to generate one automatically, or you can enter your own manually. Want to see a quick demo? Try using the sample data first to get a feel for it and all of that. Okay? By default, the receiver shows up on the left, but if you want to start with the sender, just click here to switch it. While the script can be done using AI to manually add your chat, click here to choose your input style, text, or images to appear on the chat. Then, to type in your own lines, just click the plus icon to add a new message. For example, sender says, "Hey, what's up?" Receiver response, "I'm good. And you?" As you type, the messages will show up on the right-hand side of the screen, just like they would in a real chat. Once you're happy with your script, you're ready to download your video. But if you want to keep it super simple, just click on AI script and type something like, "A funny text conversation between a cheating boyfriend and his suspicious girlfriend." Okay? The tone is funny, the chat length is ideal. And just like that, your fake chat is generated. Easy peasy. What's great about these chat messages is that they're fully customizable. You can delete any message, add new ones, or edit them however you like. Total creative control. Once you're happy with the chat, click Next to move on and set your final preferences, okay? For the audio, I'm going with funny sound. It really adds some personality to the video. You'll also notice that VidAI automatically suggests the best voice narrators for your script, right? Which is super handy. For this one, I think Rachel has a great voice for the sender. And for the receiver, the guy in this story, I'm choosing Priam voice as the narrator. His tone fits perfectly. Once everything's set, just hit generate, and that's it. Your viral style fake.
I found a hairpin in your car.
Oh, that's just my cousin's.
Cousin, is she a hair model?
Maybe. She's got fabulous hair.
Fabulous enough to steal my boyfriend?
No way, underwear like dog.
Dogs don't leave hairpins everywhere.
Touche, I'm a messy loyal dog.
So where were you last night?
Watch the documentary Earheads.
Sounds riveting. Did you take notes?
Now, while VidAI is best known for creating those trendy fake text style videos, it's actually way more versatile than that. You can also create other kinds of faceless short content super easily. Just click on Faceless Shorts, and from there, you've got a few options. You can type in your own prompt, right? Paste in a ready-made script if you have one already, or if you're totally out of ideas, just hit popular topics. They've got everything from motivational stories to scary stories, science discoveries, and all of that. Just pick what catches your eye or your niche. And when it comes to video length, keep it between 30 to 60 seconds, okay? That's the sweet spot for going viral. Next up is choosing your narrator. Then comes my favorite part, picking the video theme. You've got 3 fun categories to choose from: AI-generated image, gameplay video, or one of the viral video templates. Just pick your vibe and boom, you've got a scroll-stopping short video in under a minute.
Did you know that science is full of surprises? Let's explore some random discoveries. First up, the discovery of penicillin, which changed medicine forever. Next, we have the accidental invention of microwave ovens. Ever heard of Teflon? It revolutionized cookware. Let's not forget about the discovery of DNA's double helix. And what about the unexpected benefits of coffee? How about the invention of the Post-it note? Then there's the fascinating world of quantum
That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully you're starting to see why. In just a minute, my shorts is ready. I'll drop the link to VidAI in the description so you can try it out for yourself. It runs on a single plan, around $67, which is honestly a solid deal, right? For everything it offers to help you make viral content fast. Plus, you will be able to generate about 100 shorts in a month. If you're an affiliate marketer or a business owner, you can use this fake chat video style to promote your offers. And of course, it actually converts really well. So, while you're earning through social media platforms via ad revenue or even sponsored deals, just like these creators getting paid to promote AI tools, you can also generate income on the back end doing affiliate marketing. Here's how. When viewers click the link in your video and take action, you earn a commission. That's exactly what this creator is doing. Now, these videos may look like every other simple fake text chats, right? But when you click this link, it directs you straight to the offer they're promoting. And this is how they make extra bucks. Promoting an AI dating assistant app. If you found this niche interesting, you can easily get inspired by checking out what your competitors are doing, all for free. Just head to the YouTube search bar and enter these hashtags and keywords to discover related content. Then visit their channels to see what's working for them. Replicate it, okay? Which includes both the keyword and hashtags too. Now, let me know what you think about VidAI. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section, and remember to hit the like button. I will see you in the next one. Bye.